Okay, so today we're going to complete this question here. So what exactly is it? Well, think of it like a sign, okay? We're going to draw this sign first up in the top right hand corner here somewhere, okay? And then we're going to move on and we're actually going to rotate that sign around. So the first step in a rotations question is always to kind of draw what they've given you in the diagram. So this should be simple enough for us. We're just going to draw this here and then we're going to draw the lines below it, okay? Let's not worry about them for now. Let's just worry about our simple sign here. So on the top right hand corner, we're going to start. So the first thing I know is that we're going to keep it as far up to the kind of the top right hand corner as possible. So let's kind of come. Now I'm going to draw today in green pen. So bear in mind all the green pen lines you see are going to be construction lines. Okay, so we've got a nice light line. Notice how close it is to the very top of the page. That's very important because it's kind of hard to fit this question on the page. So first thing I know is if you get all the measurements here, we've got 15, 70, 40, and 15. That all equates up to 140. Okay, so let's measure across 140. Okay, so that's kind of the initial width of the sign. So from there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to measure down. So, and like so. Okay, so I've got my 3 lines of my kind of square here, and then I'm going to add up all these numbers to the side. So 20, 15, 15, 15, 15, and 20. So what does that equate to? So we've got 50 here, and then double that. So it's 100 wide. Kind of 100 down. Okay. So mark 100 here. Draw across. Okay. Now, so the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to put in these markers. So it's 20 down, 15, 15, and then kind of the opposite from this side up, okay? Notice how that the shape is kind of symmetrical, okay? So we're going to go 20, 15, so 20, 15 to 35, and then to 50. 50 plus 15 is 65, and then 65 plus 50 is 80, 80 plus 20 is 100. So I'm going to draw now across with my pen. So remember now, when you're drawing this is going to be in really light construction lines, okay? So draw it across like that. Perfect. So now that we have that, we're going to actually draw in, we're going to have to find these kind of points here to allow me to finish off this arrow, okay? So I notice the first one is on this kind of center line here, and it's going to be 15 back. So let's mark back 15. So that's my center line there. I'm going to mark back 15. Okay. Now, the next one is going to be this point here. So it's back 15 plus 40 is 55. So 55 back, that kind of 20 down line. Okay. The mark there. So I know that I can connect these lines up. I'm actually going to switch to a different color pen because this is almost like a finish line, okay, just to make it a little bit more distinguishable. If I was you, I'd still be drawing in construction lines, okay? Now, so from there, or knowing that I've already drawn that, we're going to draw this one up. So from your 55 in, just draw up one line, up one 15 line. Okay, that's the first part of our arrow. So we've just drawn down, which gives us this point here. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to draw back here, and it's back 70. Now, so I'm just going to use my purple pen just to kind of go around the perimeter of the sign. Okay. Now, so that's the initial bit drawn here. So I'll show you what the next step is now.